I'm Dean Cernils with Master of Mixes, and today's cocktail is going to bring a little extra punch. It's our spicy Bloody Maria. Here we go. It's very spicy, 5 different peppers. There's an ounce of tequila and half an ounce of a smoky mezcal. That smoky mezcal is going to give a lot of flavor and a lot of depth to that cocktail. And half an ounce of single-pressed lemon juice. This is real lemons from California. And our Master of Mixes 5-pepper. I like to say that this is unapologetically hot. Shook the bottle, pouring over top. Nice and simple. And let's roll this back and forth. I don't like to shake a Bloody Mary because it makes too many bubbles on top. Just gonna roll it back and forth to make sure all those ingredients are perfectly mixed together. Get a little bit of dilution from the ice. And we'll pour that over top of fresh ice. Very good. And a garnish. Jalapenos and some habanero with the lemon on top of there, as well as this really great curl of cucumbers just to sit on the back there. There it is. Looks super cool, but it's super hot. It's our 5-pepper spicy Bloody Maria. I'm Dean Cernils with Master Mixes. Like and subscribe.